Once upon a time in the quaint town of Willowbrook, nestled between rolling hills and babbling brooks, lived a young girl named Lily. Lily was known for her vivid imagination and insatiable curiosity. One day, while exploring the town's dusty bookstore, she stumbled upon a dusty old book titled The Language of Dreams. Intrigued, Lily opened the book to find pages filled with enchanting tales and captivating stories. As she read, she discovered that the book held a magical secret. It had the power to transport her into the worlds it described, but only if she could master the language within its pages. Determined to unlock the secrets of the book, Lily decided to embark on a linguistic adventure. Each chapter presented a new challenge, and with every challenge conquered, Lily found herself gaining a deeper understanding of the English language. Her journey began with simple sentences that whisked her away to a meadow where colorful butterflies danced in the sunlight. As she progressed, the language became more complex, leading her to a bustling city where people from all corners of the world conversed in English, the universal language that connected them. Lily's excitement grew with each new word she learned. She met characters from different cultures and backgrounds, engaging in conversations that broadened her perspective on the world. From a wise old storyteller who spoke in metaphors to a group of children playing in a park, Lily discovered the diversity of expressions the English language offered. However, not every chapter was easy. Some presented challenging idioms and intricate grammar structures that tested Lily's resolve. She faced setbacks, but with the help of her trusty dictionary and the encouragement of newfound friends, she pressed on. One day, as Lily reached the final chapter, she found herself in a dreamlike world filled with floating words and shimmering sentences. The language here was ethereal, a culmination of all she had learned. In this magical realm, Lily met the Dreamweaver, a mystical figure who spoke in poetry and prose. The Dreamweaver congratulated Lily on her linguistic journey and explained that the true power of language lies not just in words, but in the connections and stories they create. Lily, now fluent in the language of dreams, realized that her adventure had not only taught her English, but had also opened her heart to the beauty of communication. As Lily closed the book, she returned to Willowbrook, forever changed. She shared her experiences with the townsfolk, inspiring them to embark on their own linguistic journeys. The dusty old bookstore became a hub of learning, where people from all walks of life gathered to explore the language of dreams and build bridges of understanding. And so, in the heart of Willowbrook, the magic of language continued to thrive, connecting people through the power of words and the stories they told.